biggest job, I can say biggest job on the world, on the planet Earth, is keeping the seeking alive in people. I tell you. God assumes human body only for this job of keeping seeking alive in human beings. Understand? It has 5 jobs. ஆக்குவாய் காப்பாய் அழிப்பாய் அருள் தருவாய் போக்குவாய் என்னை புகுவிப்பாய் என்றொழும்பில். 5 jobs: creation, maintenance, destruction, putting people into maya, illusion, and liberating them. This 5 jobs. First 4, creating, maintaining, destroying, and putting them into illusion, he does not need to move his butt. He can just lie down, Ananda Sayana, and he can be in Yoga Nidra. It goes on. Nothing needs to be done. And he can be in Samadhi in Kailash, or he can be in Yoga Nidra in Vaikuntha. No problem. It goes on. But to keep seeking alive in human beings, he has to assume human body. Understand? Then most difficult job on the planet Earth is keeping seeking alive in human beings. Only for the 5th job, he has to take human body. He has to go through this whole thing to keep the seeking alive in human being, not even giving enlightenment. Please understand. The giving enlightenment is not a job at all. It's piece of cake. It's not a job at all. Keeping seeking alive, because if the seeking is kept alive, enlightenment will automatically happen. I don't need to give. It will just happen. Keeping seeking alive by telling all kinds of stories, words, lullabies and what not. Like the other day, our kids did a play, small skit, that satisfying the small children is the most difficult job they were trying to show. Na? Make them shut their mouth. It's not a small joke. You don't know whether your singing will take care of that, or dancing will take care, or your candy will take care, or your toys will take care, or you don't know what to do, and you have to do continuously trial and error every time when they start crying. It's not that once you come to a conclusion and you can apply that same research and development, that conclusion, next time they start crying. No. Next time you have to start again from the day, step 1. First, Baba, black sheep. No, I am not interested. The candy, no, I am not interested. Then tie, I am not interested. Then shaking them in the lap, no, that I am not interested. Hugging, no, I am not interested. Cuddling, I am not interested. Nothing. Suddenly something will click which you don't even know. And you can't be happy, oh, I found the solution for my child. No. In half an hour you will change the trend. Now you have to again have a complete new strategy planning. And I tell you, even that job can be done. And keeping the seeking alive in one person is equivalent to bringing up 100 kids. Keeping the seeking alive in hundreds of persons, thousands of persons. That is why every day, from morning till night, I have to tell some story, I have to tell some songs, I have to sing, dance, shake, move, hug, oh God. What not, and put this whole thing in NTV so that anytime anybody wants any strategy, they can go on, try to do something. Sometimes if you sit silently, they will stop crying. I try that also, sitting silently during Pada Puja. All kinds of drama, just to keep the seeking alive.